Hi, Darlene. My name is Alexa. I am the owner here at Business Marketing Times 10. I am a social media marketing expert and I help business owners like yourself increase your sales, your revenue, and your brand awareness all through leveraging social media. So you're probably wondering why you're getting this video. I came across your Facebook and your website, and I just wanted to give you some advice and some tricks onto how to improve the presence of your social media to hopefully turn prospects into paying clients. Like I said, it's increasing your sales, brand awareness, those types of things. So I wanted to start with Facebook. Excuse me. You do have a good Facebook. 383 people like your page. One thing I would just recommend is trying to post at least every day, if not every other day. That's fine. Trying to switch up your posts, whether it's, you creating a bouquet, you making a video on why you're creating a bouquet, posting more videos is probably the best. Doing Facebook Live is really well. Those all help with engagement and, getting your company out there for more people to know about you. So those are other types of things. Posts like this showing where your work is going, how you're using your bouquets, whether it's, for Valentine's Day coming up or a wedding or a just because bouquet or a birthday bouquet, something like that. Those are always good. Another thing I would recommend that drives a lot of traffic to your business as well as your Facebook is doing a giveaway. So maybe giving away for free a huge bouquet that's of like $150 value in exchange for people's emails and their names and possibly their phone number if you want. So that's a good way to get a lot of emails and build your email list. So I would recommend that. To also continue with your email marketing so that you're turning those warm leads into paying clients. So that's what I would recommend for Facebook. Also, just running Facebook ads. So I don't know if you've ever done it before. An easy way to get there is to just click on this little drop down and click create an ad, or you can just go up here to facebook.com and then put /ads/manager. Those are two different ways to go and create a Facebook ad so you can really get into hyper targeting your audience, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. So you could create an ad that's geared towards people in relationships, people that are married, people that are engaged. Those types of things are really great for big events like this. Moving on to your website, I would recommend also here putting like an email capture, landing page. So here's $5 off your next purchase if you give us your email, or 10% off, or sign up for our free ebook or something like that. You want to give something in exchange for their email, like I said, to grow your email list, turn prospective clients into paying clients. So by giving them something, they're willing to give you their email. Another thing I'd recommend for your website is to maybe post a branding video. So talking about you as an owner, why you decided to start this company, what you love so much about flowers, why you like helping people, those types of things that just let people know who you are as a business owner and show that you're very genuine and trustworthy and passionate about what you do. And they're like, oh, hey, I'm going to pick you over the leading person because you seem like you're a lot more relatable and someone that I could trust with what I'm, paying you for. So, two recommendations on your website. I couldn't find an Instagram account for your business. That's one big thing I would recommend is creating an Instagram account if you don't already have one. You can just easily, every time you post to Facebook, you can easily post to Instagram simultaneously. It just, like I said, it's more brand awareness. So the more platforms you're on, the more people are going to see your business and take a look at your website or contact you for a service or some flowers or something like that. So definitely something I would get onto if you are on Instagram, or if you aren't on Instagram. If you are, then I'm not a very good researcher. But if you are, or if you even start your Instagram account, I would, like I said, post, daily, if not every other day with that. Doing videos is really good, and making sure you utilize the hashtags. So doing a lot of hashtags, doing geotags, so checking in Naperville or like the Chicago metropolitan area or something like that. So yeah, those are just a few pieces of advice that I would recommend for you just to increase your brand awareness, hopefully get the word out there of your business a little more, maybe get you some more sales. Like I said, this is what I do, so if you have any questions or want to jump on a call to see how I can help you with the social media, definitely reach back out to me. But I did just want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.